This is a quick video I thought I'd share with anyone who may be having some issues with the Scotch Extreme Strong Velcro. This holds up to 10 pounds, and basically this is what you want to do. I'm installing a new crossover into my hi-fi speakers, and stand by and I'll show you how to do it. So basically, you want to take the backing off one of the strips. And place it on the area where you want to Velcro. And then you'll take another strip, peel the back off eventually. And then you'll press the two together. These are interlocking. If you can hear it snap. And then you've got your adhesive on the back, and that just adheres to the whatever you're adhering it to. So quick video on the 3M Scotch Extremely Strong Velcro. Holds up to 10 pounds.